I'll give you your wristbands here. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Hi there. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. You're welcome. Have fun.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another Disney IRL TV video. We are here for the grand opening of Pixar Pier right behind me. Today is the VIP party, June 22nd, 2018. Tonight is the grand opening of Pixar Pier and we're invited. I'm bringing you guys along. We got our credentials. We're gonna go inside the pier, check all the stuff out. I got a ton of rides and new videos coming through for you guys, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. Turn that bell notification icon. Let's get going. Look at this. They rolled out the blue carpet for Pixar Pier. Wow. Brand new Pixar Pier sign. Lamplight Lounge right here. These people are waiting to be the first ones to get to eat at Lamplight Lounge. It's so awesome. This is a photo op for the Incredicoaster over here. And over here's my friend Chris.
Hey, what's up?
From LMG Vids. Right here, hanging out with us on the vlog. We got Knickknacks, the Pixar store on the pier. Pretty awesome. Love the detailing. Beautiful, beautiful detailing of the Lamplight Lounge. Little tent area entrance. Let's watch the roller coaster take off, guys. We are gonna get to ride the roller coaster in a little bit. Let's check this out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Awesome. And over here we have the popular, this is gonna be the most popular one for summer. The adorable snowman frosted treats. Look at how busy it already is today on the opening. We're right here with Robert, checking out Pixar Pier. We want your opinion, bro. What's your favorite thing so far? Step into the sunlight over here.
The frosted parfait.
That's what we're in line for, the Pixar Pier parfait, Pixar parfait. There we go, we're in the vlog now. We're Wilderness Explorer here, checking in. Awesome, check it out in the vlog later. Say what's up.
Bye-bye! One parfait, be ready to pick up next to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, enjoy.
Thank you. Oh my
It
God.
looks so good though.
Here it is.
Okay, get one more spoon. Yeah.
I'm gonna eat like half of it and throw it away.
I got it. I'll save you.
This thing melts fast, guys. As you can see, we gotta eat and talk. So basically, guys, it's the lemon soft serve. You got your blue slushy, and when it mixes together, it just turns green at the bottom. Try that blue slushy. Get that blue slush in there. Serve them. Give them a bite. Give them here. Serve them a bite. Hey. They also have nice new billboards. Beautiful billboards. Pixar themed for photo ops. Check this stuff out, guys. We have a Wally one. Let's get our fun pick in front of the Wally. Fun pick. Get over here, Chris.
Hey,
Fun pick in front of the Wally billboard right there. Woo! Look at the fish. The fishes. The fishies make the Pixar ball, Luxo ball. So cool. And then we have the otters from Finding Nemo, Finding Dory. Ooh, that's beautiful. Nice. New cocoa wall right here. All right. And as we make our way into the first neighborhood, Chris, which neighborhood is this?
Incredible neighborhood. Isn't it?
Incredibles neighborhood, all right. Here are some new trash cans. Pixar Pier, brand new trash cans right there. I love the Luxo Ball tents, that's awesome. Here's the opening to the Incredibles neighborhood right here. We're gonna walk through the archway. And straight ahead you have Jack's Num Nums, the new cookie shop here at Pixar Pier. Here's a brand new entrance to the Incredicoaster, you guys. There's the brand new sign, that looks awesome. Here's the Jack's Num Num. I'm gonna get a cookies. Lots and lots of yummy cookies. Look at that, Chris.
You make me hungry.
One chocolate chip Jack cookie.
Wow, okay. I can get one. I gotta get one.
There you are. Enjoy.
Thank
What's
you.
the one you get?
Look at this, guys. Jack's Num Num cookies right here. We're trying it out. Let's try this chocolate chip. I don't even have a fork or anything to eat this. Sarge,
Yeah, so how are you gonna eat it, soldier?
I don't have a fork.
Well, this is an MRE here. A meal, really enjoyable. You
Let's
gotta
see.
figure out a way to do it.
Let's see.
Gotta get creative around here.
Hungry, Sarge?
No, I'm on duty right now.
Okay, yes, sir.
In fact, I got this whole mission going on over here. Have you seen my men over there?
Yes, sir.
They have been hard at work making sure people know how to freeze like toys.
Permission to bite, sir.
That's right, yeah. Come right out of the easy bake oven right there. Keep up the good work.
Thank you. Sarge's orders. Get a Jack Num Num cookies.
Let's take a bite. Okay.
Sarge's orders.
Why is my order?
Sarge's orders. Take a bite, everybody. Gimme. That's a lot. I mean, look how big this is. It's like Iron Man's like Jesse's guys like.
I should have split the thing with you.
It's okay.
That one's really freaking good.
The sugar cookie? Better than this one? So Chris got to try the sugar cookie and he says it's way better than chocolate chip. I don't know. I'm a chocolate chip fan, guys, so.
It has like that jam in the middle. It adds that
Oh,
sugar.
what?
Yeah, it's jam right in the middle. It's like, wow, what the heck?
Okay, I gotta try that one next time. There it is. Jack's Num Nums cookies. Your basic chocolate chip. Wait a minute. I see a bear.
Where?
Brian, the Disney bear.
Hey!
What's up, man? Brian,
Ooh,
Sarge's
num-num.
orders.
Num-nums.
Sarge's order.
Num-nums.
You gotta take a bite.
Num-nums.
Sarge came and ordered us. Took a bite. Take a bite.
Okay.
He got him. Sarge's orders, right? Did Sarge come and tell us to take him out? You did. What do you think?
It's warm and gooey.
Pretty good, right?
Gooey num. Yeah.
Jack's Num Num.
I listened to you. You tricked me. There's no Sarge.
He was here, guys. Tell Brian that he was here.
Sorry about it.
Here's the Poultry Palace. Right there, a little nod to Toy Story 2. Throwback. Thank you. We got it. We got our Poultry Palace lunchbox, guys. Let's go try it out and see what's inside this goodie box. Dun 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 dun. All right, guys, we got our Poultry Palace box here. We're gonna open it up, see what's inside here. First, we got some coleslaw. Looks very good. And the main dish. Look at this. Wow. The chicken, fried chicken, guys. Take a bite of this chicken here and try it. Look at this. It's really good. Wow. I like the breading on it. Really good. You can taste the lemon in the chicken.
It's pretty good though, isn't it?
I like it. I'm gonna try this coleslaw. Coleslaw is okay. Like the Incredicoaster going behind us. I'm enjoying this, guys. This is good and refreshing. How you liking it?
It's freaking delicious. It's pretty good.
I would definitely get this again.
For the boardwalk games, we got La Luna Star Catcher. Here are the possible prizes.
Here you go, nice job. This one is a big starfish on the edge. It's a magnet.
We're gonna get
on the
red,
edge.
red, blue, or green.
I don't know, try to get a red or something. Something good. You won't get it.
Wait.
Only one edge has a magnet, unfortunately. It's hard. Yeah, not as easy as before. So it's actually free play today, no prizes. Only one edge has a magnet.
I got it. I got it. Yeah.
Good job.
We win.
Nailed it.
Tony, here's your deal.
Alright, the water will shoot out automatically. All you have to do is aim your first one to the top line. Blast off in 3, 2, 1.
Oh no, Tony, you lost.
Oh. It's all right, guys. We tried. We tried.
Heimlich's candy corn toss, guys. This one looks like the hardest one. This game, the object of this game is to get the candy corns and throw them through the Heimlich mouth. Yay! The little candy corn beans. This one is Bullseye, Stallion Stampede. Around the corner, we're coming into the final stretch here. Number 3, number 3, getting closer and closer here, coming in. Number 5 catching on, number 5 for the no, number 3, oh! Number 3 is their prize. That was a close one. Check it out, guys. It's a giant Luxo ball. Look at this thing. I gotta touch it for the first time. Wow.
Yo, the Luxo ball. That's awesome.
I love that.
This is the dance party right here. Yo! Yeah! Dance party. We got Mike Wazowski out here, dance party, breaking it down.
Shout out to the DJ. DJ getting down. Shout out to the DJ. There we go. Alright, you guys, I do have one of the angry dogs. We gotta try the angry dog.
Stay with me.
Can I have 2 angry dogs? I'm so sorry.
Thank you. Here we go, guys. We're gonna try the angry hot dog right here. First bite. Woo! It's really spicy. If you're a spice lover, this is for you. To me, I'm not really big on hot dogs. I'm not a big hot dog fan, so I don't really enjoy this one as much, but it's still good. If you're a hot dog lover, make sure you get an angry hot dog. All right, guys, next up we have Buzz is Churros right here. Senor Buzz is Churros, my bad. Senor Buzz. Look at him with his churro up there. All right, I'm excited. What do they got here? Okay, they got a caliente churro, and they got the cinnamon sugary galaxy churro, which probably sounds like the regular typical churro. Cinnamon sugary.
I mean, I don't expect much more, to be honest. I don't expect much more, to be honest.
We got our tap ready. Look at it right there. Senior Buzz. We got our next tab right here. Senior Buzz's churros right there. Caliente churro.
Caliente?
Yep. Gotta try it. Oh, I can smell it. It smells like hot tamales. Like the candy, the tamales. Yeah.
Alrighty, here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Can I get a caliente churro and a
Whoa. Senior Buzz Caliente churro down.
You guys check it out. We're
What up,
here
Tony?
with Life Disney Spence
Yeah,
right
man.
here. I got the churro. Spence, I'm gonna try it for you, man.
You're gonna try it? Because I'm
Dude.
scared. You're a brave man. Is it spicy? Is it? Is it getting more spicy as you're eating it?
A little. It's like the churro, hot churro, like a hot Cheetos.
Oh yeah, and it
Powder.
looks like that color too. What's the other one that's over there, Tony? There's like a bluer one over there. What is
the
that?
sugar.
Oh, it's just sugar, just cinnamon sugar, but it's just a blue
Basic.
color.
Yeah.
All right.
Go for it, dude. They're calling you, man. Go.
All right,
You're
homie.
up, you're
Good to
up.
see you, Tony.
Yeah.
Later, bro.
All right, Chris. This is really spicy, man. Definitely gotta try the hot tamale churro, guys.
This is like as far as we've got.
Yes, they come for amusement and exceptional conduct.
And thanks to the Incredibles for joining us as we launch the Incredicoaster.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright everyone, that does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Pixar Pier preview night right behind me there. That was so much fun. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button for more Disney IRL TV videos. We'll be here live from Pixar Pier, Pixar Fest. More videos coming, I promise you guys. Awesome. Love you guys. Remember, adventure's out there.
Time over.
9:50.
We're not done yet. We don't stop playing until the Edmund mode sings.
Sunnyside. Where's Sunnyside?
Where's Sunnyside?
Sarge left. We need to get back to Sunnyside.
She knows. Where's Sunnyside?
Where's Sunnyside?
In Toy Story 3.
In Toy Story 3. That's a story, ma'am.
That's a story, ma'am.
That's a story, ma'am. It's a movie.
We need to get back to Sunnyside.
It's a movie. It's a movie.
That way.
That way.
Sunnyside that way.
Going that way.
Is
Soldiers.
it just pointing around?